know me, okay. The kind way I feel that day.
Guys, it's been over a year I made Kinky Twist, so I'm going to be doing it today, and I'm going to take you guys along because I want you to see the process of doing it. So I'm going to be using black Kinky Twist extension for this hairstyle because it's been long I used black. So I'm going to be starting off by prepping it, which is to separate the sections because nobody is helping me. I'm the one doing it by myself. It's just me. So I'm going to cut off the extension, the binder, like the one that is holding them together. And the extension I'm using for this hair is Rosemary Kinky Bulk, which is one of the extensions I like to use anytime I'm doing this kind of hairstyle. So this is me just separating it so that it will be easy for me to pick out and just make use of it. So if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button for me, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a constructive comment because it helps me to bring out content like this. So enjoy this video, enjoy the processes. I'm going to see you in the next scene.
I'm walking over through like this, so I know your friends don't like my beat, but you for don't say this kind thing, baby. Just let me know, you know I'm doing. I know nobody stop you, I know nobody stop you. Just let me know, you know I'm doing. I know nobody stop you, I know nobody stop you.
Damn, this motherfucker too crazy, saucy.
I give you 6 months of grace. That girl we see last night, no comment to take your place. I even let you know who you but say that the more in you. But in a game with time level bitches. So let me know if you don't want to again. I know good stop you, I know good stress you. Let me know if you don't want to again. I know good stop you, I know good stress. Don't call me back, don't call me back. When you see say I don't do it, I know that baby. Don't call me back, don't call me back. When you see say I don't do it, I know that baby. Don't call me back. If I give you love, man, don't go rest. Your boy from there. You say you got another man, say you know me, okay. The kind way I feel that day, me I never feel okay. I'm walking over through like this, so I know your friends don't like my beat, but you for don't say this kind thing, baby. Just let me know, you know I'm doing. I know nobody stop you, I know nobody stop you. Just let me know, you know I'm doing. I know nobody stop you, I know nobody stop you.
Damn, this motherfucker too crazy, saucy.
Don't call me back. When you see say I don't know with another person, baby. Don't call me back, not call me back. When you see say I don't with another killer, baby. Don't call me back. Even if you never call it, all I know, yeah. give you 6 months of grace. That girl we see last night, no comment to take your place. I even let you know who you, but say that you more than you. But not game with time level be this. So let me know if you don't want to again. I know go disturb you, I know go stress you. Let me know if you don't want to again. I know go disturb you, I know go stress. Don't call me back, don't call me back. When you see say I don't deal with another kid, baby, don't call me back, don't call me back. When you see say I don't deal with another kid, baby, don't call me back. If I give you love, man, no correct. Your boy Ponte.
So far, this is how far we've gone.
The layoff, and then they're running behind. Body strength.
So let me show you guys what it looks like now. Oh, this is what it looks like. So I left with this top. So I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm done. Done.
The kind way when I feel that day, me I never feel okay. I'm walking over through like this, so I know your friends don't like my beat, but you for don't say this kind thing, baby. Just like me, you know what to do again. I know go stop you, I know go stress you. Just let me know if you know what to do again. I know go stop you, I know go stress.
Damn, this motherfucker too crazy, saucy.
Don't call me back. When you see say I don't deal with another person, baby, don't call me back, oh. Not call me back. When you see say I deal with another killer, baby, don't call me back. Even if you call it no go there, all I know go there. I don't do again when you forget. All I know that day. Even if you call it no go there, all I know go there. I don't do again when you forget. I give you 6 months of grace. That girl we see last night, no comment to take your place. I even let you know who you, but say that you more than you. But not game with time level be this. So let me know if you don't want to again. I know go disturb you, I know go stress you. Let me know if you don't want to again. I know go disturb you, I know go stress. Don't call me back, don't call me back.
So guys, this is the final look of my hair. What do you guys have to say? It looks so nice. It's been long I use black on my hair and I'm loving every bit of this hair. I'm going to be carrying this for 1 month or even above that because I put in a lot of work to achieve this look. So I hope you like the video and I hope you'll be trying it out. If you've not subscribed, do hit my subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a constructive comment. I'm going to see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.